You're going to learn how to make the best thumbnails on YouTube right now, like this, this, and this. And the best thing, you don't even need Photoshop to do this. You can use free tools like Photopea. As you may already know, Mr. Beast is at the top of the thumbnail game right now. If we take some inspiration from him, what can we analyze from this thumbnail right here? First thing you see when you look at this image is like his face expression, right? That's a very important part. Have a like strong facial expression in the thumbnail. And then yeah, he has his hand like really close to the camera to grab attention, just grab you into the video. And then we have some small things in the background here, not to distract us too much from the main subject of the video. Okay, so first we want to create a new file on Photoshop right here. So press new, choose 920 by 1080, create, and now we want to import all the images we want in the thumbnail. Okay, we got our images ready. We have a picture of a person and also a four-wheeler. The fella I'm making this thumbnail for is actually this guy right here, Slavik. And check his content out, he makes some really fire content on his channel. He told me for this video that he almost crashed in the video. What I'm thinking is maybe have him like fly off this bike or something, like like this. And then we have to like put some curvy road or something. But first I need to remove the background of this four-wheeler and fix the wheel down here. Perfect. Invert, press delete. Bam. Now we want to fix the part of the wheel that's cut off right here. In Photoshop you can press generative fill right here. And then we just wait and AI does it for us. Boom, there we go. We got the wheel. We can check the options right here. Okay, so this one looks perfect. And now we need a curvy road right here, so I'll just find a picture of a road. Okay, so I found this picture of a road right here. Right here. We need to remove the white area right here, so we can combine these. Now to fill out the background here, we can also use the AI. Just do this. Okay, so this is what the AI gave us, and we kind of want a sharper turn right here. Okay, the AI generated a new image here. Okay, this one actually looks a lot better. This one is perfect, man, so it flies off a cliff or something. Okay, and now we need to just generate the rest of the background right here. Got AI working for me 24/7, man. Okay, so this is what we got right here. Okay, we'll generate the rest of the background right here first, like that. The Photoshop AI is too good, man. Don't even have to do anything. You just have to wait like a couple minutes each one to generate. But that's about it. So perfect. And yeah, we'll try to add like a ditch right here. Take the lasso, type ditch, and we just wait a couple minutes again. This one might actually be good if we put something interesting here instead. So now we want to make it look like he's really flying off the four-wheeler right here. First off, just make this a bit smaller. How are we gonna make this guy look like he's flying? I got an idea. We use AI. So guy flying. Bam. Man, I'm too smart. We just use AI for everything. Am I right? What the? We do this. Okay, now I think we got it this time. Hey, I'm telling you right now, this is it. What the? What even? What the? The AI seems like it doesn't want to work on these so well. So I say this is where we go and get some lunch, man. Ayo, we back! And look what this AI made us. I mean, that is just perfect, man. So now we just need to repair his shoes right here. Shoes? Shit. Look how great isn't that, man? Hey. Okay. Now it really looked like he's flying, man. Now we just need to add all the shadows and now we just need to add some shadows. So we're gonna do that with AI too, you know what I'm saying? We can just do this on the road right here. Bam. And then we're gonna paint all the outlines and all the shadows on the flying man and also on the four-wheeler. And it's gonna be awesome, man. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, let's see what we got here. Didn't really add any shadow, so we'll try again. Okay, now we got some shadows. Finally, let's see if we have... Bruh. I mean... That ain't it, bruh. That ain't it, bruh. Bam. We add an adjustment layer of curves. Drag this down a bit, like that. Perfect. Clip that, invert it. This one too. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, we might got something right here. What is this? Huh? Bam. Okay. Now we need to add some shadows under the flying guy. Perfect. And now we need to add some highlight layers. That, bam. We're gonna combine all these. Merge. Bam. We got curves. That's perfect. Bam. Bam. Here we go. Some shadows. We'll just do this. Select all the layers. Make them into a smart object. Filter, camera raw filter. We got this right here. Exposure. Highlights. Texture. Yeah, maybe a little bit. Dehaze. Perfect. And then sharpening. We're pretty much good right now. Maybe if we add some more saturation. Go back here and then just vibrance. Little bit. Saturation. Yeah, that's great. Bang. There we go. This is at least pulling like 50 million views. I don't know what to tell you, bro. We need to add some depth in the image. So in Photoshop we have these neutral filters, and here we have depth blur. So we just choose the point in the middle here, and focal range, we drag that to about 50, maybe a little bit more. That looks awesome, man. Look at that. Hey, oh, hold up, I got one last thing. One last card up my sleeve. We add some frippin' smoke to this. No, 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 no. Brightness. There we go. And that's just gonna add the little extra touch that we all know and love. Yeah. This is the finished product right here. I will have some more content coming soon. Subscribe if you liked the video, and I will see you soon.